MissCarly. So today we're gonna get inspired by this amazing brown wig right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. This wig right here is from EL Beauty. I've actually done quite a few wig reviews for them, and I also have this wig in the color of yellow, and I'm actually really excited to try that really crazy fun color. Also, what is so exciting is that you will have the opportunity to win this very wig that I am reviewing, so stay tuned for those details at the end of the video. So let's just take a look at this wig. She's in the color of brown, but when I opened her up, I was like, she's kind of this gorgeous sable color. I don't even know if that's truly the color of a sable, but I feel like the sables definitely have a really warm brown, almost with a tinge of auburn. I mean, do you guys see what I'm talking about? It is really gorgeous. And then also, just from like putting my fingers through it, she is extremely soft. And one of my favorite things about a wig that is straight, since she is straight with a little bit of a little bounce of a wave here, is that she has some body to her. She isn't like stick straight. I feel like the stick straight wigs, I get a little staticky, and I'm not a huge fan of them. But this one just feels so soft, and just running my fingers through it, she really has nice body to her. And of course, she does have some layers. So you can see she's really long. It says that she's 24 inches, and she almost feels longer than that. But she does have some longer layers, as you can see here. And then, of course, kind of makes it a little bit lower towards the bottom here, which is very exciting. So let's just talk about the actual wig construction. So she does have a light lace here, which is very exciting. She does have your standard 2.5 inch parting right here, which is pretty typical. She has 2 combs right here on the side, and then she has 1 comb right back here in the middle. She does have a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. This wig also does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I will of course be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, and I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, so here she is, so glamorous. All right, so let's just take a look at the lace front up here. So I feel like she actually has a little bit more lace than your typical Amazon wig, where it actually comes down to your sideburns right here. And you know, she is lightly plucked out, but of course, plucking her out more would definitely be best for your best wig life ever. But let's just cut off this lace and see what she is all about. Okay, here she is. Now let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. And wow, here she is. What do you guys think about this color? Isn't it great? So here she is, how long she is. And she definitely is at that 24 inches. Really, really nice. She feels really good. She's 150% density. And from brushing her, she actually had, you know, pretty minimal shedding, considering she is a very long and dense wig. So not bad right there. Now let's shift the parting and see if she gives a different look. So let's move her first to the left eyebrow, which is where I usually part my wigs. All right, so here she is on this side, really pretty. I really feel like this wig is giving me like a 60s vibe. What do you guys think? All right, so let's move it to the other side, the right eyebrow. Okay, so definitely giving the exact same type of look, which is really cool. So if you have a preference to a certain side, you can definitely shift the wig cap to do that and still have a glamorous look. Let's shift her back in the middle again. So again, this wig is from EL Beauty right here. Definitely check it out. And she definitely is more of this brown, auburn, kind of sable colored hair. I really like it. I feel it's a very natural color. And most importantly, how to win this wig, I need you to like this video and then also add this emoji down below in the comments for you to win. And of course, all the rules are down below as well as the link for this wig. So let me know if any of you have a favorite brown, auburn type of wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing and fabulous as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and